Derek DeBrosse, the gun lawyer.
Ohio gun lawyer here. Next question. Many times an Ohio resident who has a concealed carry license adds a Florida non-resident permit. If the Ohio license expires and you have more time on your Florida permit, can you legally carry in Ohio with only the Florida permit? Of course. Ohio recognizes non-resident permits, and we have for years. Follow-up to that is I've recently mounted a holster to my center console in my truck to have a backup gun available. If the center console does not have a lock, or I'm sorry, I misread the question. The center console does not have a lock. My truck locks and has an alarm. Can I leave a loaded handgun in my truck when I leave the vehicle? I don't see under the law, without researching this further, any reason you could not. The next part of that question is if my truck were broken into and the gun was stolen, could I be held responsible for crimes committed? I don't believe criminally you could. Potentially civilly, they could argue that you were negligent in the storage of the firearm and you had a duty, depending on the scenario, a little bit more about the scenario, I'd need a little bit more facts. If they can prove you had a duty, the duty was breached and you were negligent in that behavior, that could lead to damages. I know of no cases where that's happened, but I have not specifically researched it. Keep that in mind. I hope that answers your questions to the best of my ability. If you have any further questions, please drop a comment below.